What are the factors that really matter in life? After watching the speech by Steve Jobs, I learned that he has an inspiring life. Sometimes we're anxious to know about our future because we want to be successful and we want to achieve amazing goals. But when we see our lives, it doesn't make sense. Steve Jobs said, open quote, "You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards." And I think it has more sense connecting your dots backwards. I see my life and I like how it is doing so far because I connect the dots of my past. But when I think in my future, it doesn't make me feel so good. He also said, open quote, "So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future, because believing that the dots will connect down the road will give you the confidence to follow your heart." Close quote. Some of the factors that really matter in life are the ones you make yourself. Steve's life is inspiring because even though he created Apple, he was fired from it. He did not give up. He started again from the beginning. He created Pixar and Next. So he kept doing what he loves to do. At the end, he could go back to Apple, and now the technology of Next is like the heart of Apple. To finish, I just want to quote some of the best phrases by Steve Jobs. Open quote. First, you have got to find what you love. Second, don't lose faith. Third, follow your heart. And fourth, don't settle. Close quote. Thank you.